So for this next one, it's a little more difficult and there's a little more pieces involved. So what came in your kit is a larger piece of greens, a bow, pre-made bow, 2 smaller pieces of greens, 4 bunches of berries, and the ornament of your choice. And what you'll need is a pair of scissors and a glue gun. Now, first step, I've already done it, is you poke a hole into the top of your frame, and that is where the wire for the bow will go through, and it'll wrap around your frame. So you're going to take your greens and your hot glue gun, and you're going to glue your greens to your frame, just above the hole. And you're going to want to hold it there for a little bit, because if you know anything about hot glue, it takes a while to sit down. Maybe fan it a bit. And once that's settled, you're going to take your wire from your bow and you're going to start at the bottom. And I just burned myself on the hot glue. Yay. You're going to go to the bottom and you're going to poke it through, and then you're going to go over the top of your frame and you're going to twist it together nice and tight. And that's what it'll look like at that point. And then you can straighten out your bow. And then you're going to take your hot glue again, and you're going to take your smaller greens and you're going to glue them at the bottom corner. Doesn't matter which corner. You could go, oh, that's hot, this corner or this corner, it doesn't matter. Push it down, be careful not to burn yourself like I have. Just let it sit there for a bit. And there's your greens at the bottom. And then you can decide which berries to have at the top or which berries to have at your bottom. But in order to make sure it looks nice, you're going to have 3 berries at the top and 1 bunch of berries at the bottom. So you're going to take your glue gun again, and you're going to either stick it on the greens or on the frame or on the stick. It's up to you. If your stick is too long, just give it a little snip. Maybe. There we go. Just cut it back a little bit. Make it a little shorter. Get your glue strings out. And then you're going to take your bigger ones. Little glue on there. And you're going to tuck it in. And your other one, glue on the stem. Just be sure that you don't run out of glue, because I almost just have. And you're going to take your other one, your last one, probably the smaller one, a little bit more glue, and you can put it on whichever side it doesn't really matter which side. Look at that, so happy. And then you're going to take your ornament, last step. And usually the ornaments are a little bit heavier than the berries and the bow, so you're going to want to put a lot of glue on it, because you want that sucker to stay. All the way from the top to the bottom. Make sure it's well coated. And you can put it in the lower half or the middle. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to put mine right about there. Gravity is working with us this time. Thank you very much. And there you go.